Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to jailbreak your Amazon Fire TV stick. So the first step we gotta do is go to search, and we need to download an app called Downloader. As you can see, it already popped out here at the bottom. If it didn't in your case, just type in the whole name of the application. So here's the app that you gotta download. And after you download it from the App Store, there's one more thing we gotta do before actually launching it. So firstly, we go to settings. You can do it by holding down the home button on your Fire TV Stick remote. Go to settings, My Fire TV, and as you can see, I already have the developer options here, but if you do not have it yet in your case, firstly go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and press on that middle button for 7 times. And as you can see, now it says no need, you are already a developer in my case. In your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. And if you go back, you will see the developer options. So go to developer options, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging. Then we go to install unknown apps and make sure to enable that option for the downloader. By doing so, you will allow it to install any application from the internet, not necessarily from the Amazon App Store only. After that, we can finally go to downloader, select home here on the left side menu, and here in the search, we got to type Aptoide TV. And hit on go. And while the website is loading, make sure to hit the like button on this video, and of course, subscribe my channel for more tutorials on your Fire TV Stick. Here in the search results, find this one, tv.aptoide.com. It's official website of Aptoide TV. Scroll down a bit, hit on that download Aptoide TV button. The app has started downloading now. Click on install here in the right bottom corner. And then after the app gets installed, before actually clicking open, press on done. And here we just need to delete the installation file because we do not need it anymore, so never clog the memory of your Fire Stick with not needed files. After that, feel free to go back to your home screen, to the list of the applications, and here's the Aptoide TV which we just downloaded. I will not show what's inside here because YouTube does not like it, but inside you'll find thousands of free to install applications of totally different categories such as live TV, media players, games, useful software, and so on. And that's the easiest way to jailbreak your Fire Stick in 2023. Enjoy!